right, everybody, so Saber got the new awning on. I showed the unboxing in the other videos, and today I'm going to show you it all set up. I got my son Dan here to help, and I got Matt on the video. So we're going to open this up and you're going to see how much you get for the money, because this thing is awesome. You just unzipper, and you got to tuck this all the way out of the way, even around the bottom. You got to pull that back, because there's these little Velcro straps that become important when you're putting this thing up. And then we just release the 3 straps. And these are all heavy duty Velcro. These are metal, not plastic buckles. You got all that down. Okay, and the first thing you do is you fold this, the back half comes out first, right? And we're just gonna pull it around. And then once you get to about here, you stop, and that's when you grab the front half, because this is a 270, and you pull it out. And you gotta make sure these don't catch. Pull that down. And then the nice thing about this is you don't have to go find these. They're permanently attached. So you just loosen them up and get them off. Then you pull this around here. Make sure this point is good. And we're going to take this around in front of the Jeep. And we're just going to hook it right here. I mean, you can hook it anywhere, wherever your recovery points let you, but this is a nice easy spot. And then we're just going to pull. And that's it. That's tight. Now you can see it comes right over the Jeep. So what I found with practice is you got to loosen this up first, because we are going to be putting the sidewalls on. Now if you're not putting the sidewalls on, you don't have to put these legs down. This thing can take up to about 25 miles an hour or so without the sidewall legs down. But you can always put them down and stake it if you're not putting the sidewalls on. But once those are in place, and we'll tighten it up. And there you go. So that's the first one down. Stan put down the second one. Then we come all the way over here. I want to show you this real quick. So the cool thing about this is everybody complains about the awnings not going all the way around the Jeep. You know, there's that gap that you get rained on. The nice thing about theirs is here, they have this extra piece right here. This little flexible hinge that you have to push in when you're folding it up. But it comes out and gives you that extra bit so that when you're done, you don't have to mess with any gaps. Just like the hood, because it's all the way around, you gotta take the leg down now, because once it's over in place, you can't really get to it. I'm just gonna leave it hanging for a second. We'll get the hook loose. Same thing, loosen it up a little bit, get it loose. And for me, I have the tie-gear rack. So I just pull it and anchor it right to the rack here. And then just tighten it up. Come back here, we're gonna pull. And you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Put the leg down, tighten it up, and it comes all the way over the Jeep. It's a perfect 90, which is really cool. And then you lift it up a little bit. Because the Renegade's so short, it tends to want to lean when you get to that point. And then here inside, one of the cool features is they have these little standoffs that you pop up. That creates a tent valley so that the rain will run off. And you have one on each arm, right? So you go around, pop those up. And then it's double stitched up here with a pad so you don't tear through. And then this is all metal. And so that's all set up. And then you have the USB plugs right here. I don't have a charger right now because the power's out everywhere. But you plug that in, you have a yellow light and a white light right here. So when I do the camping thing this weekend, it's going to show you how it looks. But there are 4 of them. So you have 3 here and then 1 over here. There aren't lights on the outer edge ones because they'd be kind of pointless. They're wrapped around over the vehicle and over the hood. But this is this part set up, and then we have the Velcro, and then we're going to show you setting up the sidewalls, because the sidewalls are awesome. I'm going to bring you back and show you when we do the zippers and a few key points. But other than that, I'll show you when all of them are up, because it's going to be kind of weird just watching them go up.